you're wondering why I'm wearing this ridiculous inflatable ballerina outfit, it's because it's Christmas time, and you know it's Christmas is the Nutcracker, and the cocktail I'm making today is called the Sugar Plum Fairy. So I saw there's a recipe for the sugar plum cocktail, so I'm going to do a little switcheroo because I'm not using gin and I'm not using grapefruit juice because why the hell would I? I don't have them. I have gin, but I'd rather use good vodka than some random gin. So give it a bar spoon of grenadine. It calls for like really hard to make shit that I don't want to do. If I have to use heat for anything, I'm not doing it. That might be too sweet, but whatever. Don't think that's not my problem. An ounce of lemon juice. I can open the fucking top. And then an ounce of Ciroc, which in my opinion is good vodka. God damn it, spilled it on my hand. Great, just peachy. And then an ounce of Grey Goose, which in my opinion is the best vodka. I love Grey Goose. Yeah, why have gin when you can use Grey Goose? And now I gotta put some ice in the glass. For good measure. And we're going to pour it into this coupe glass, which is perfect for a bitter. This is the Sugar Plum Fairy. That's really good. Literally tastes like lemonade. That's really good. It's almost like it's pink lemonade. It's a great cocktail. It's sweet, but it's also sour. This is why I didn't use, it's one of the reasons why I didn't want to use gin. Because these two vodkas let this basically lemonade, like pink lemonade mixture, grenadine and lemon juice like shine through. Let the Grey Goose also really help give it some depth. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.